Good morning, dear students, and welcome in today's English class. Students, take out your My English Reader book, page number 70. Write date and classwork here. Students, today we will learn or we will do the concept this to these, that to those. Okay. First of all, we will read the lesson. Okay. After that, I will explain where we will use this, these, that and those. Okay, come to the first line. This is a cat. These are kittens. A young cat. Kitten means a young cat, and these are kittens. That is a dog. Those are pups. These kittens are white. Those pups are brown. This is a tree. These are birds. That is a pond. Those are ducks. These birds are black. Those ducks are white. This is a table. These are chairs. That is a vase. Those are flowers. These chairs are blue. Those flowers are red. Come to the next. This is a bag. These are books. That is a box. Those are pencils. These books are big. Those pencils are small. Okay, students? Now I will explain where we will use this, these, that and those. Okay? This and that are used for one object. Okay? And these and those are used for more than one objects. Okay? This and these are used for objects closer to you. Okay? And that and those are used for objects away from you. Okay? Students, I have some flashcards. Okay? See here. Here we will use this because this object closer to me. This is closer to me. This is a bird. Okay? And when you will put this flashcard here away from you, here we will use that. Okay? That is a bird. Okay? And when it will come closer to you, here we will use this. This is a bird. That is a bird. Okay? Now we will use these. These and those are used for more than one objects. Here are two birds. Okay? These are birds. When you will put this flashcard away from you like this, now you will say those birds. Okay? Like this. This is a flower. That is a flower. Okay? These are flowers. When you will put this flashcard away from you like this, you will say those are flowers. Okay, this is a tree. This is a tree. Now that is a tree. These are trees. Now those are trees. Okay, this is a balloon. When you will put here this flashcard, you will say that is a balloon. These are balloons. Those are balloons. Okay. This is an apple. These are apples. Those are apples. Like this. Okay, students? Have you enjoyed this activity? Okay, I hope you all have learned the concept. This to these, that to those. Again, I will repeat where we will use this and that, and where we will use these and those. This and that are used for one object like this. Okay, this is only one object. Okay, and these are those. These and those are used for more than one object. Now here are two birds. Okay, now we will use these and those. Okay, so students, today you all will read this page number 70 and 71, and also complete this page 71 and 72. Okay students, with this, thank you and have a nice day.